Hey guys, welcome back to day 12 of SAT ACT Math. Today's a double upload day. I forgot to upload yesterday. I already uploaded one. This is going to be the second one for today. Without further ado, let's get into 24, 25, 26. As always, these are not my problems. These are College Board's problems. And I'm just doing these to help you guys out a little bit. Okay. 24. The scatter plot above shows the number of registered voters X and the number of people who voted in the last election Y for 7 districts in a town. A line of best fit is for the data is also shown. Which of the following could be the equation of the line of best fit? Okay. Um, it only shows slopes. Okay, so I'd find the slope. Pick 2 points, okay? Not 2 points, not these 2 points, 2 points on the line. Because it's asking for the line of best fit or the least squared regression lines, if you guys know what that is. That's exactly what this is, but you don't need to know that. So the slope is 2, y2 minus y1. So I chose these two because they're on the line and they're pretty simple. 240 minus 220. Let's do this over here a little bit. 240 minus 220 over, you have, sorry, it should be y2. I messed that up. This should be on the bottom. So 240 minus 220 over 120 minus 110. Okay, so you should get 10 over 20 or around 0.5. It's not this, not this, not this, not this. It's B. It doesn't ask for the y-intercept, so you don't really need to worry about that. No, they don't have none of them have the same slope either. Okay, this one I would use my TI Inspire normally. My TI Inspire CX Cast, which is legal on the SAT now. So if you guys have one and know how to use it, I would highly suggest that. I'm telling you, I would expect if you know how to use it well, 10 to 20 point increase easily. But I will show how to do this one without that. If you guys want video about how to use it, I can make that. So you try to match them up, and this is my method to do it. Okay, 1.6x plus 0.5y equals negative 1.3. Okay, so which one is the easiest to match or to try to cancel a term? 0.5 and negative 1.5. They're just multiples of 3. Just multiply each one by 3. And then you should get, okay, so I would use your calculator. Don't try to do this in your head. 1.6 times 3, 4.8. So 2.4 and then 4.8 x minus 1.5y plus 1.5y. That's the term that will cancel. And then it is 1.3, so it should equal negative 3.9 equals 0.3. Let's just make sure, check above, just make sure all your numbers are good, and they are. So these two will cancel now. You should be left with 2.4 plus 4.8, 7.2 equals 4.2, 7.2x, sorry. And then divide 4.2, 4.2 by 7.2. You should get an answer of, 1 second. You gotta keep track of your negatives. That's where I messed up here real quick. And if you don't see an answer, don't just guess. Go back and check where you made a mistake. You have to keep track of your negatives. So keep good handwriting and carry it all the way across. Okay. And then with that, you should get 7.2x equals negative 3.6. And you should get x equals negative 0.5. Is that one of our answers? It is A. Move on. This is a tricky one. If you don't, it's easy to mess up. It's not necessarily tricky, but it's easy to mess up. And yeah, I would do my addition strategy here where you try to match terms like that. Okay, 26. Keith modeled the growth over several hundred years of a tree population by estimating the number of trees' pollen grains per square centimeter were deposited each year within layers of the lake sediment. Break this down. This is hard to understand. Model the growth over several hundreds of years by estimating the number of the trees' pollen grains per centimeter that were deposited each year. Okay, that's all you should take away from it. He estimated there were 310 pollen grains per square centimeter the first year. Okay, so 310 is your principal. P equals yeah. He estimated that okay, I would like to use I equals PRT. I don't think that might not be necessary, but just put that out there. So the 310 grains per square centimeter, the first year the grains were deposited, with a 1% annual increase in the number of grains per square centimeter thereafter. Which of the following best? Which one of the following is the best? Basically, it's not this one. It's not this one because the next year would actually be a 200%, 202% increase. Definitely not this one. This one is like a logarithmic, so it will actually not a logarithmic, but it will decrease. D is the best answer here. No math necessary to check that, but you can go ahead and check that if you want. Well, that's all for today. If you guys have any questions, please post them in the comments. We only have a couple more videos left for this test, but we'll finish it up soon. Thanks you guys for paying attention to this video. If you guys have any, please like and subscribe, and any questions are welcomed in the comments.